Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this ASOOKE twisted one. Just look at the way I'm blushing, feeling the gele. So this gele is very easy guys, very simple. It's very easy, something that you can just easily tie on your head to church, to your parties. So just keep on watching guys. So it's me and Joshua that will be tying this gele for you guys. Just pardon this my cloth that's here. I'm at home, I'm not doing anything, so NEPA just brought light, so I just decided let me do tutorial. And your baby will not allow me, so I just have to back him. So I'll be using this ASOOKE. So for this style, there's no need for you to be like pleating it. If you like, you can create a pleat with it, and if you like, you can just leave it like that. So I love to leave it like that because it will be very easy for someone that did not even know how to tie gele. So I just decided let me leave it, let me not create a pleat with it. So please just pardon this cloth though, please. I know some of you will comment on the comment section. I'm at home, I'm not going anywhere. NEPA just brought light, so I just let me film the video. And Joshua is already on my back before me filming the video. So after doing that, I'll bring it to the side. Then I'll start twisting it like so. Make sure your twisting is very tight, because if the twisting gets, if you did not make the twisting to be tight, it will get loose. So you have to make your pleating to be tight. Yeah, Joshua, say hi. Joshua is in my hand here. We are doing the voice over together. Look at the way he's looking at my phone. See this boy. He was still crying at my back there. This boy. So just split it like that guys. Look at him, he has no sleep. The struggle is real guys, not be small thing. If you have somebody that is assisting you, if you're a new mom, we are lucky. You are lucky, but yeah, for yeah, I'm not gonna do my thing by myself. Oh yeah, Joshua, say hi now. My baby, my baby. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi now. So I'm through twisting it. After that, I'll be bringing it to the front like so. Look at, oh my god, this gele to me is the most easiest one. You can't tell me you can't tie this one. No. You can't even tell me, if you do not even know how to tie gele, you will be able to tie this one, because this one is very easy guys. And you can use paper gele also to tie it. You can use paper gele to tie it also. You can use paper gele. Okay, Joshua did not want me to tie gele for you guys. Hey, sleep, he will not sleep on time, this boy. Joshua. So I'm just using office pin to pin it down at that back, and that is it. That is it about the gele. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. Sorry my baby. Bless you. Sorry. So that is it about the gele guys. I'm true. Just look at that guys. So beautiful. So that is it guys. So yeah, Joshua, say bye bye. Look at your baby. Alright guys, that is it about the tutorial. Hope my god, I've dropped your baby. He has already slept, so just quickly change, touch my face, and that is it. So bye.